Okay, so now I'm going to do a PA on Euro Australian trade. So this is the trade that now we can enter in. So first of all, the overall time frame is down. Then this is a short overflow is down. There's this buyer come out, struggle, queue. So anything here is a seller's market. Anything below this guy is a seller's market. So when the price comes close to this area over here, which there's a kind of a trap buyers that try come over here. When it came back to this area, technically it's a sell market, but it won't go all the way down. There's usually two kind of scenario at this level. First is you tick now is tick this a third leg already. Then when it slows down, you can actually technically expect it to come to this level again, which is the guy who started it. This guy who started it. So in the morning actually I sold at this level first, then it went back up, then it came back down. Overall timing wise, entry story wise is this is a guy who started it. So until you take out this guy who started it, nothing happens. So it's like a V formation. He fell again. Now he hot multiple times. Now it most likely is a change of trend really. So timing wise, I bought at I think I bought here. No, I bought here. Yeah, I bought 8:30. I bought here. The price came up. So ultimately, what you want is market open. After that, in a good location, then consider the buy and sell. So first of all, the market open at 8. 8 is kind of good location. If I put my stop loss above here, I would have gotten this trade. But I think I don't know, not even here. Here is a bad location. Here is a kind of a low price. The guy who started it will be around here, high up in the top area. Then we sold it down. You can actually manage get a 3 to 4R or 2 to 3R easily. It's the first 1.6. About 1.89. Yeah. Okay, but if stops are tight, because first of all we can see that over actually the guy who started is over here. So he tests already, then he kind of failed, then he came back down. Cancelled here, came back up, then there's this trap area. You can sell again. All the way down. Entry wise, what I've done well. What I've done wrong is location wise. I actually bought at the low here. So unless it immediately go down, then I will be trapped inside here. Then secondly is, even though it's market opening, like let's say 8 o'clock, 4 o'clock, or 9 now it's like 10:30 lah. 10:30. What you want is find a good location to buy instead of trying to buy at a very bad price. Cause technically the volume, there will be increased volume. Whether it's on top or below, it doesn't matter. What matters most is there is increase in volume and you resolve top or bottom. So in other words, when you buy at a good location, you can actually scratch the trade easily. Or when the trade go against you, you'll know that the trade doesn't perform. So it's like, even though the price over here is far away from here, sometimes it's okay to let it go. This is the best spot to buy. Stop loss just above here. Maybe it'll spike up. It spike up, then it ranges, then it came back down, then you can actually buy and sell the thing and get it down. So what's the main lesson learned here is story. Story, technically, all you need to do is just follow the 200 EMA at 1 hour. That's typically the big boys time frame. Like which direction is on. That's the major mistake. One of the major mistake I did today. Okay, so next is entry close to location as close as possible.